Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a simple way to create beautiful blog posts directly inside Mailerlite, this is the only guide you need. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the full 2025 process, from logging in to publishing a polished blog post that perfectly matches your brand. Let's jump right in. Accessing Mailerlite first, open your favorite web browser and head over to mailerlite.com. Click Login and enter your credentials. If you prefer a faster route, use the Sign In with Google option. This takes you straight to your Mailerlite dashboard. Creating a new site. On your dashboard, look for the Sites tab in the top menu and click it. Then hit Create Site. Now, give your site a name, something that reflects your project or the theme of your blog series. This name is only for internal use, so keep it descriptive but simple. Once done, click Save and Continue. Audience targeting. Next, Mailerlite will ask you to choose a subscriber group. This is key because it determines who will see your content and helps you tailor your posts for that audience. Select the group you want to target and click Continue. Template, selection, and customization. Here's where the fun begins. Under All Templates, head to the blog category. Browse through the designs and pick one that matches your brand style. After choosing, click Select or Choose. You'll now enter the editor where you can completely customize the template, change text, upload images, tweak colors, and add your unique branding. Make sure your content is clear and engaging. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing, finalizing site settings. Before publishing, polish the details. Go to Settings to set your landing page URL and add a favicon for a professional touch. Double-check these settings because they influence both your user experience and your overall branding. Saving and publishing. Finally, click Save and Continue. Review everything one last time. When you're ready, hit publish, and just like that, your blog post is live and ready for readers. And that's it. You've just created a full blog post in Mailerlite, quickly, easily, and with zero stress. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more practical guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging with Mailerlite.